Can I also request the wife of Commissioner of Police to please join on stage? It's going to be an absolute pleasure to have them. Welcome to Week Off Felicitation Program. DCP Traffic 1, can I request you, sir, to please join in forward? One by one, I'm going to be calling the names, and they're going to be receiving a certificate, none other than by Shri Anjani Kumar, IPS Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City. Tanish, Nevasidin, Zoya, so one by one, they're going to be receiving the certificate. I request the parents to please put your hands together as they take the certificates. It's a big moment, big day to receive a certificate and a medal from the hands of Commissioner of Police on the occasion of Children's Day. Please, one by one. Come on, everybody, let's put our hands together. Now I request Harneet Singh to please start being on the ramp. Mohammad Khaja Awais, Mohammad Rahman. The name says they are the cops of tomorrow, so you have to give them a huge round of applause. All right, Ojaz, Nawazuddin, Alina, Ansh Santosh, Mahi. Yeah, just be on the stage. Come on, everybody. I'm sure we can go a louder one for them. Let's keep going on, keep going on, keep going on. Don't stop. This is a big day for all of them. Today we are celebrating Children's Day and we are felicitating Week of Farah Bashir, Maheen, Mohammad Arif, and Mohammad Zohar. B. Kavita, C. Ratnasai, Masira, Maisha, Mohammad Shifat Ali. I request the kids to please be around. We're going to be taking a group picture. So all the kids are requested to please be around and join in after the certificate distribution. Come on, parents, can we all put our hands together on this occasion, on this very big day, where all the children are receiving a medal and certificate from the Commissioner of Police right in front of you, everybody. This is a big moment. Now I'll request Mr. Ram Mohan, who is the faculty of Nizam College, to please join on stage along with his over here. This is going to be an absolute pleasure and a moment which you will remember forever. Today, with the hands of kids and our entire dignitaries present over here, are going to be releasing a Everybody, come on, count along. 3, 2, 1. Happy Children's Day, everybody! Woo! Release it, everybody. Joining on stage, can I request you all to please move out of the stage? Please, everybody, please join in with your parents. Now here we are presenting a memento to Team Namdhari from the Commissioner of Police who have executed and organized this event. So we're going to be presenting a memento to Namdhari teams. Thank you so much, Namdhari team, for coming forward. It's the moment, everybody. Come on, everybody, let's join in for the flag off.
Commissioner of Police, Anjali Kumar sir, ma'am, CP Garu, Additional CP Traffic in charge, DS Chauhan sir, HCSC, Hyderabad City Security Council Secretary Chukkapalli Avinash Garu, Joint Secretary Traffic Forum Piyush Agarwal, and all the children here, parents, media, and citizens of Hyderabad. We have VCOP is an initiative of Hyderabad Traffic Police in association with Hyderabad City Security Council, which was started on 29/6/2020. It's a program to handhold the children in tender age and to make them traffic rules abiding citizens in the future. To this initiative, so far 10,000 children have been exposed to this program of making them know the traffic rules, and also see to train them and ensure that they go back home and tell their parents to follow the traffic rules. And 48 schools have been covered. On the eve of Children's Day today, this program has been we have arranged this program. So 10,000 children cannot be felicitated today at this place. So CP sir and the guests here will symbolically felicitate 30 to 40 children. The remaining certificates will reach the schools, and the school management will hand over to the children during their morning roll calls. So I wish the children and the parents and the citizens of Hyderabad a happy Children's Day, and also request everyone, the citizens of Hyderabad, to follow the traffic rules and make Hyderabad a global city. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I'm
Anjali Kumar, IPS Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad. Respected Madam Vasudhara Sinha, IRS, Director General Investigation Income Tax, Chukkapalli Ramesh Garu, LS Chauhan Garu, ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో సహకరించిన పాల్గొన్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నా వైపు నుంచి హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు, వందనాలు కోరుకుంటున్నాము. వాట్ ఏ లవ్లీ డే వీ హ్యావ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఏ లవ్లీ ఈవినింగ్. Probably to draw the attention to the colossal waste of life, valuable, precious life, every year, not only in this city, this beautiful city, but all across the country, there is a unnecessary waste of life and loss of precious lives due to traffic accidents. And as just now a wonderful skit has shown us, simple precautions, simple following of the traffic rules can save lot of these valuable lives. Imagine when a teenager starts from home, what a great shock and tragedy it will be to receive any tragic news for his parents. So please, I won't take much time, that today is the day of VCOPs. Our small children who have been taking their time out in collaboration with the traffic police and Hyderabad City Security Council, ably run by entire team, Mr. Avinash, Mr. Piyush, Anandita, and everybody else. So these children have been doing wonderful work. You have been seeing them all across the city, the various places. Chinna Papa, Kuddiga, oka 2 నిమిషాలు. So, I request you to encourage these children. While the CP sir and the dignitaries will be facilitating them, I request you to encourage these children simply by doing a very simple thing. Just follow the traffic rules. If these children can take their time out, stand on the road, make you aware, regulate the traffic, then the simplest of the thing which we can do to encourage them is simply follow the traffic rules and save the precious lives. Thank you very much. I'm really indebted to give me this opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Hello everybody. First of all, I congratulate Hyderabad City Security Council, led by Secretary General Avinash and ably supported by the entire team, Piyush, Anandita, Rajshekhar, and all the team members. My colleague officers, Additional CP Law and Order Chauhan, DCP Traffic Chauhan, Vasundhara Madam, and all the dignitaries here. Nothing could have been a better day than to select Children's Day for this function, when on that beautiful tank bund we are having Sunday fun day, and at the same time, along with the entertainment and masti, some important message. Message not only to the children, but message to the parents, message to everyone, that fun and masti is absolutely fine, but not at the cost of life, not that at the cost of injury. And that is why when we have to take the city of Hyderabad to the next level of safety, security and happiness, then we have to ensure that the new generation is better than us, that the new generation follows more rules and regulations than what we do. The artist of Nizam College, the way they performed and conveyed the very strong message that how it is important to follow traffic rule. I am sure if we are able to convey this message strongly, the purpose of this program is served. Before taking much of the time, I would greet each one of you, particularly the children. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy your life, have fun and be safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hearty congratulations to Hyderabad City Security Council and to the City Police for this wonderful initiative. Please support the City Police in ensuring that the traffic rules are followed properly. It is in our interest. It is in the interest of our family. Let us help them. Let us join them in this initiative. A very happy Children's Day to all of you.
ఫేమస్ ట్యాంక్ బండ్లో చిల్డ్రన్ డే ఉపలక్షలో ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరిగింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో అవేర్నెస్ ఫర్ ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్, రోడ్ సేఫ్టీ గురించి నిజాం కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ద్వారా ఒక స్కిట్, ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేశారు అందరూ. మన హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఈరోజు 200 పైన ట్రాఫిక్ ఫరిష్తే కూడా వచ్చారు. అండ్ రివార్డ్ అండ్ రికగ్నిషన్ టు మోర్ దెన్ 50 చిల్డ్రన్ టు క్రియేట్ అవేర్నెస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అమంగ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్. ఈ సందర్భంలో హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్కి కొత్త సెక్రటరీ జనరల్ అవినాష్ గారు, తర్వాత ప్రత్యూష్ గారు, అనందిత గారు, రాజశేఖర్ గారు, గీతా గారు, అడిషనల్ సిపి ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ట్రాఫిక్ చౌహాన్ గారు, డీసీపీ కరుణాకర్ గారు, డీసీపీ చౌహాన్ గారు.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining in for the day. We also have stalls around you, so please enjoy on this day.
ఒక మంచి మెసేజ్
Yeah, we are having.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
All right.